This board pairs a capable 32-bit motion controller with a quad-core Linux module, making Klipper feel as seamless as using a dedicated single-board computer without the cable clutter. By integrating the compute module directly on the main board, it dramatically reduces wiring inside printers like the Ender 3 or Voron V0 and frees up space in cramped enclosures. The ARM Cortex A53 processor with 1 GB of double data rate 3 memory provides enough headroom for responsive web interfaces, real-time monitoring, and future firmware tweaks. Built-in Ethernet, wireless networking, and an HDMI output mean you can add a touch screen and remote access without juggling extra adapters or expansion hats. Support for modern stepper drivers such as TMC 2209, along with easy jumper configuration and replaceable fuses, makes tuning quiet, reliable motion straightforward for experienced tinkerers. Solid documentation, active community support, and straightforward firmware updates via secure digital card or device firmware upgrade give this board a reassuring long-term upgrade path.